realistic December 2025 price predictions and three possible scenarios: bullish, neutral, and bearish. And I'll tell you what person I'm watching every master trader has dive in this. And first, why December and the end of this year is first, I would say, potential institutions positioning and new money ETF flows. Second thing is a micro shift, the global market interest rate expectations. Third is a renewed demand for crypto if the market stabilizes. Uh, for SRP specifically, many analytics predict by the end of 2025 a growing adoption of a cross-border payment, possible ETF interest, and demand for liquidity could push a higher price. Because of that, December becomes a key month and could be a catalyst for a rally or a breakdown. Right now, many forecast issues the S&P as hovering in a few dollar range by the end of the year. For example, a popular forecast estimates the SRP around $2.90, 2.90 cents by December 2025. And another analytics survey expected it is around $2.80 by the end of 2025. But the bullish extreme view see even a higher potential if adoption and institutional flows increase. Still nothing to guarantee the crypto market is volatile and a fundamental SRP. Fundamentally, the SRP trend depends upon heavy on demand for global interest and the overall crypto market health. And on the chart, some key level you can have on them. And first is support and base zone around $2.30. This level has been mentioned as long as the foundation lately. The second thing which I see the key levels, if SRP gain a strength, the next resistance area comes around $3.10 to $3.25 by December 2025 under bullish conditions. If bearish pressure returns, drop below support could bring detachment and always a risk in the market is totally. Let's talk about prediction. First, let's talk about scenarios, the bullish scenario. First thing is a market sentiment recoveries, a crypto bull return, maybe the Bitcoin overall market see the strength. So in this scenario, the SRP can be at bullish. And second is the institutional and the investor demand for the SRP increases, like a payment use cases plus ETF and an entry momentum. So let's think like the SRP reclaiming $3.10 to $3.25 soon, possibly testing $3.50 to $4 if the momentum is strong. So let's have a target range for the bull scenario. For me, it's $3.10 to $4. In a neutral range, which is like a normal scenario, I will say neutral scenario, the crypto markets stay mixed or slightly positive. Second thing is SRP trade sideways or support $2.30, a resistance at $3.10, and then also the big benefits for the next consolidation for the new triggers. So now my target for the neutral is $2.30 to $3.10. In a bearish scenario, which is nobody will like it, in a micro headwind, a weak crypto market and institution demand stall. The second thing is SRP fails to hold the support around $2.30, which price can tip. The third thing, the bearish scenario will be a could retest lower levels like $1.80 to $2, depending on the broader crypto track. So my target range for the bear is $1.80 to $2.30. So what could we drive this move? What can happen the most thing, institutional flows. First of all, key catalyst to watch in this month, guys. So in the December month, I will say institutional flow, ETF, big by adopting SRP for the payment. The second is the overall crypto market recovery. So if a major coin like BTC, world coin, SRP often follows the real world adoption, cross-border payment use, integration, and news about partnership, or the adoption could be the pushing demand. Technical breakout and another reason and resistance. Sometimes the chart momentum itself draw traders in. So, but is seriously downside for the SRP. But lot of crypto slumps and global micro issues can impact on funds. If demand adoption stalls and we to see a mentality of among the big investors will be the freezing the price of elections. The overall optimistic predictions can create a big volatility and many big swings up to down. The fourth thing which I see the technical breakdown between the support level trigger the panic of selling. So let's talk about as of now. I lean neutral bullish. I expect the S&P to stay between 2.30 cent, $3.10. With chances to reach 3.50 cent to $4 if the crypto market picks up and do not surge. So if I was investing in trading and I want to support near $2.30 can be a treat deep possibly enter. With smaller exposure, I'll keep an eye on the micro catalyst news. If there is a big news about another trade, development soon, and I'll say maybe we can hold, can hold maybe potential towards $3 50 cent, $3.50. So let's give a bonus tip as I read one. Don't watch only the price chart. Watch a trading on indicator, institution emotion, the payment use update, and the global micro environment. The coin can look cheap on chart, but if demand isn't real, the price could stay stuck. The device is true. The real demand and positive sentiment. So that's what I think about this market condition of the SRP and honestly, which I see that honestly among investing is the right time to invest, but maybe in a position what you think because SRP has been doing very good. Is coming up by which I think from my personal prediction, which I think it could lie around $2.30 to $3.10. That's what I think now it's gonna hit on December. The January after it comes, I think so much for